We officially have a VIX up above 20. It is trading at 22 right now. So a lot of volatility coming back in the overall markets in here, especially in the S&P 500. We're going to take a look at the spiders here on the weekly chart. You can see that this week has broken down out of our overall structure. It looks like we're going to be trading in between the 661s and the 673s. So far, we're going to see how we end the week, but it looks like we could get caught up in between that $12 channel in here for the week and maybe even going into next week. But if we can get a nice little push in here, we can climb back in above that lower trend line and then work our way back up into those all-time highs, or at least get it back up into those high 677s. That is the goal. Now, we did end down today around $6 and some change from last Friday's close, albeit most of that move came pre-market this morning when you had that big down move right before market open. So right now your IV rank is sitting at 31. That's with a VIX sitting at 22. Your raw IV is sitting right around 23% in all your expirations upcoming. And it looks like you have right around a $6 expected move priced in by tomorrow, $9 by the next day. Thursday is going to be 12. And if you go all the way out to Friday, almost a $13 expected move priced in. So pretty large expected moves in here. So that $12 channel that we might be trading in, 661 to 673, that might not hold up. So that is actually good news for us either way, because that means we're going to get big swings in here. That's what we like. We like volatility. We like swings. We want to take that and use that to our advantage. So that's what we're looking for overall when we're trading options, and especially in the spiders where everything's so liquid. You can just kind of get in and out and do whatever you need to do in here. So again, we're looking at a $6 move priced in by tomorrow. Your RSI did retreat just a little bit in here. You're sitting down here right around 60. So we do need to kind of reset this on the weekly chart just a little bit more before we get a nice push. But consolidation here in between that 661 and the 673 could help with that as well. So let's see what happens as we continue on throughout the week. $6 move priced in by tomorrow. Might get a little bit of a pop tomorrow or a little bit of a gap up. That is what I'd be expecting coming off of this down move we had today. But we might have to go down and touch those 661s first before that does happen. So overall, we'll see what happens as we finish out the weekend here in the overall market. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.